afternoon guys, my name is Lainey and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making high protein brownie bites. They are so chocolatey and delicious, and the added bonus, they are bite size. What you will need: a weighing scales for weighing out your ingredients, a large mixing bowl, a spatula, a mini muffin tray. I'm using a silicone mini muffin tray so that they simply can pop out. And the ingredients you'll be needing today: 100 grams of a chocolate protein powder. Today I'm using a Quest one, but you can use any brand of whey protein. 70 grams of reduced fat almond flour, 25 grams of extra dark cocoa powder, 60 grams of these extra dark chocolate chips, a tin of puree pumpkin. I picked this up from Amazon, but you can always get it in Sainsbury's or Tesco's. 140 grams of liquid egg whites, 120 grams of 0% Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. These are your raising agents. Let's get started. I like to start with my dry ingredients. So first thing in is 110 grams of your chocolate protein powder. Next I add in 70 grams of my almond flour, 25 grams of the extra dark cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Then we mix all the dry ingredients together. It's at this point, before you add the wet ingredients, you want to ensure that there's no lumps left in the dry ingredients. You can always sift in the dry ingredients to get more air through and to get rid of any of the lumps that might be still there, but that has done quite a good job just through stirring it with the spatula. I'm now going to make a well in the center of the dry ingredients before adding the wet ingredients. I'm first going to add in 140 grams of the liquid egg whites. I'm going to gradually stir in the dry ingredients. When a chocolatey paste starts to form, I add in the next wet ingredient: a full tin of pureed pumpkin. And then we fold the pureed pumpkin into the mixture also. When you have quite a stiff mixture, you add in 120 grams of your Greek yogurt. You should now have quite a moussey almost consistency. It's quite cakey and moussey, and as you can see, it's very chocolatey. I'm going to add in the final ingredient, which is 60 grams of the extra dark chocolate chips. Now I'm using the extra dark chocolate because it gives that extra chocolatey flavour, and that's what I want. I want them to be super chocolatey. You could always use white chocolate or regular milk chocolate, whatever your preference is. So last but not least, the extra dark chocolate chunks are going in. And again, we just gradually fold in the dark chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Once you have your mixture made, it's time to put it into the mini muffin tray. I'm going to be using a soup spoon just to divvy it up into the mini muffin tray. I have lightly sprayed the mini muffin tray in the Frylight butter spray. Any low calorie oil will do. So here we have 24 little brownie bites of chocolatey goodness. I have my oven preheating to 190 degrees Celsius. I'm going to leave these in for about 20 to 25 minutes until I can see them rising. Let's get baking. The brownie bites have been in the oven for 20 minutes, so I'm going to take them out because I think they are done. They have risen up, they look very chocolatey, they smell amazing. I'm going to transfer them onto this wire rack to cool, and then I am going to enjoy. So this is how chocolatey it really is. You can see the melted chocolate chips inside. These have amazing macros, and you have portion control. You're getting that chocolatey hit without the calories. The full list of ingredients are listed below in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it the thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to see more of these delicious, healthy, high protein recipes. See you guys next time.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have